Somebody help me, please. Oh, please help me. I'm chased by a crazy 2x4. Please. Somebody help me. Somebody please help me. I must find a detective.
Get the hell away from me.
Oh, please. It is an emergency.
There's a detective's office down that way. Now get away from me.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
No problem. My name's Eve, by the way.
No. Yes.
How may I assist you?
Oh, hello, sir. Yes, thank you very much. I am finally able to find someone who will help me with my problem. My name is Richard Boboja.
Yeah, quite the accent, Mr. Barbosa. May I ask where you're from?
Well, I'm actually from America, but I spent 95% of my life in India, and so I've developed a slight accent, you see.
I see. How may I assist you?
Well, you see, I was up in the forest today cutting down wood, and this evil 2x4 came and it cut my arm. I do not know why. I think it was trying to kill me.
A 2x4, you say?
Yes, evil 2x4.
Well, Mr. Barbosa, I will investigate this matter for you.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I hope you can catch the evil 2x4. I'll just be going there.
Alright, here's my number.
Okay, number. Thank you very much.
Phone me if there's any more trouble with that 2x4.
Yeah, I'll phone you. Thank you very much. Yes, a very good day. I like it a lot.
Careful about them bushes, they can be mighty deadly.
The bushes, yes, they are quite dangerous.
And about that 2x4. Can
Yes,
you
what
describe what this 2x4 looked like at all?
The 2x4. Well, you see the 2x4? It was like any other 2x4, only this one was particularly evil.
I see.
Yes.
Why don't we go and kick his mighty ass, shall we?
I think it's up here. Ah! Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, it looks like a dying mime! Oh, let's go help him!
Why, I reckon it is a dying mime. Can you tell me what happened to you?
Oh my God.
Okay, I can't understand a word you're saying.
It was the 2x4. I swear to God it was the 2x4.
We ought to find ourselves some footprints. Why, looky here.
Oh my God, that's it. That's the footprints.
More footprints, all right?
Oh my goodness. That's him right there. I can see him. He's right there.
Oh, he don't mean no harm to you. Die, you bastard.
I think he's dead. Oh yes, he's very dead. Take it!
I'm only 35!